Hi everybody, we are final year student of Electrical and Electronic Engineering Department of Gokaraj Rangaraju Institute of Engineering and Technology. Our project is fuzzy logic based control of washing machine using Arduino, which is done by Rahima Begum, Sindhu Priya, Sri Kirti,
under the guidance of our project aims at presenting the idea of controlling the wash time based on degree of dirt, amount of load and type of load. The process is based entirely on the principle of taking non-precise inputs from sensor subjecting to the fuzzy arithmetic through Arduino and obtaining a crisp value of wash time.
Project mainly consists of hardware part and software part. The hardware part constitutes the basic model of washing machines along with the control circuit. The software part consists of Arduino programming which is interfaced with the hardware part through Arduino Uno. Hardware part. The hardware part of a project can be divided into two parts. The basic washing machine. The basic washing machine is constructed as follows. A simple plastic tub is taken as the washer drum where the washing takes place. The propeller is fixed to the bottom of the drum which is used for agitating the water. A normal tap is attached to the bottom of the drum which is used as the outlet valve to drain the used water. The shaft of the propeller is coupled to the shaft of a single phase AC motor. Power supply block consists of following units: step-down transformer, full-wave rectifier circuit, input filter, voltage regulators, output filter, indicator unit. The step-down transformer is used to step down the supply voltage of 230 volts AC to 18 volts AC. The rectifier circuit converts the AC voltage to corresponding DC voltage. The regulator regulates the output voltage to a specific value. The output filter is fixed after the regulator circuit to filter any of the possible found ripples in the output received finally. Finally, we get an output voltage of 12 volts and 5 volts.
The relay circuit is used to guide the motor in the forward and reverse directions. The circuit consists of relays, transistors 2N2222 and resistors 220 ohms. 3 digital output pins of Arduino Uno are connected to each of these and to the 3 terminals of the motor.
When the relay gets energized, the 230 volts AC gets connected to the respective terminal of the motor. The programming is done in such a way that the neutral terminal of the motor should always be connected to the neutral of the supply. The other 2 terminals are connected according to the program where forward or reverse rotation of the motor is needed.
The control of the forward and reverse direction of the washing machine can be done by using relay circuit. For the start of motor, the neutral of the motor should be always connected to the neutral of the supply. For the forward direction, the pin 9 of the Arduino is connected to the transistor and the relay is connected to the line 1. To have forward direction, the pin number 9 should be always in, the pin number 10 should be always in low position and pin number 9 should be always in high position for the forward rotation of the motor. For the reverse rotation of the motor, the pin number 9 should be in low position and the pin number 8 should be in high position. The level of dirtiness of the water can be sensed by using a dirt sensor.
The dirt sensor consists of two test tubes in which LED light emitting diode and LDR light detecting resistor are placed. The principle of the dirt sensor is that when the water is dirtier, that is more opaque, the light from the LED falling on the LDR is less. So the resistance of the LDR increases. The voltage across the resistor, which is connected in series with the LDR, reduces. The amount of voltage reduced or increased shows the dirtiness of the water. There are different varieties of textiles made of different fibers. Some may be of thick cloth and some are sensitive fiber. For these textiles, the wash time given in the washing machine varies. Since for hard textiles, agitation motion should be more, whereas for light clothes, they may not withstand more washing. For this, we are providing a selector switch for noted textiles like silk, cotton, woolen, nylon, terling, etc., for which the wash time and the delay is pre-programmed. Whenever the required textile is selected, the washing machine runs for the given wash time and delay stops. This is independent of the fuzzy logic and used only when the particular clothes needed to be washed. As fuzzy logic is the last option of the washing machine, this option takes in all the required parameters and determines the wash time, which is actually a best way of washing. Arduino is an open source electronics prototyping platform based on flexible, easy to use hardware and software.
The Arduino kit consists of 6 analog inputs, power inputs, a reset button, a USB port, a power cord, digital inputs which can be used for pulse width modulation, in which the 13th pin is used for LED, and RX and TX for receiving and transmission.
The software program mainly consisting of 4 parts. First part is initialization of different inputs. Second part is initialization of revolution count. Third part is iteration section of washing machine program. And fourth part is fuzzy program. In first initialization section, we have initialized the pin number 8, 9 and 10 for start of motor, forward direction and reverse direction of the washing machine. A4 pin and A5 pin is for voltage and current ratings. And next is the different terminals of the knobs, which is named which are named as silk, cotton, terylene, woolen, linen and fuzzy, as pin number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This white setup is for the setup of start of machine. The next is for forward direction and next is for reverse direction. This is the iteration section for the different types of cloth: silk, cotton, terylene, woolen, linen and fuzzy. This is the fuzzy program. This is the voltage ratings. If the voltage rating is less than or equal to 10 volts and greater than or equal to 8 volts, then and current ratings is less than or equal to 0 and greater than or equal to 2 amps, then wash time is decided as follows. The same thing follows here. When the voltage level is less than or equal to 8 volts and greater than or equal to 6 volts and current rating is less than or equal to 2 volts and greater than or equal to 2 amps and greater than or equal to 4 amps, then the wash time is decided as follows.
The conclusion is that by the use of fuzzy logic control along with manual control options using a selected dial, we have been able to obtain a wash time for different type of load and different degree of dirt. The conventional method required the human interruption to decide upon what should be the wash time for different plots. In other words, this situation analysis ability has been incorporated in the machine, which makes the machine much more automatic and represents the decision-taking power of the new arrangement. Moreover, the design process mimics human intuition, which adds to the ease of development and future maintenance. Although this particular example controls only the wash time of a washing machine, the design process can be extended without undue complications to other control variables such as water level and spin speed. The formulation and implementation of membership functions and rules is similar to that shown for wash time.